In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download LinkedIn app on Android. We'll keep it simple and safe, starting with the recommended method through the Google Play Store, and then I'll briefly touch on an alternative you should only consider if the Play Store isn't an option. First, the Play Store method. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. It's usually pre-installed on most devices, and you'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top and type LinkedIn. You're looking for the official listing titled LinkedIn Jobs and Business News. This is the genuine app you want, and choosing the official listing helps ensure you get the latest, most secure version. Next, tap Install. The download will begin right away. Depending on your connection and device, it may take a minute or two. A quick tip: a stable Wi-Fi connection can speed things up and save mobile data. Also, if your device asks for confirmation or shows a quick Play Protect check, that's normal. It's verifying that what you're installing is safe. Once the install finishes, tap Open to launch LinkedIn immediately. If you prefer to open it later, you'll find the LinkedIn icon in your app drawer or on your home screen after installation. That's all you need to do to download it using the safest and easiest route. If you'd rather jump straight to the app's page without searching, you can also open your mobile browser and go directly to the LinkedIn listing on Google Play. When you open that link, it will hand off to the Play Store app on your phone and show the same install button. This is essentially the same process, just a shortcut to the correct page. Now, a quick word about the APK alternative. Some websites host APK files for LinkedIn that you can download outside the Play Store. However, this is not recommended unless it's absolutely necessary, such as on a device without access to Google Play. APKs from third-party sources can be risky because they may be outdated, modified, or unsafe. If you're not completely sure about the source and the security implications, it's best to avoid this route and stick with the Play Store for your safety and peace of mind. And that's it. Using the Google Play Store is the fastest, most reliable way to get LinkedIn on your Android phone, and it only takes a few minutes from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up quickly and securely.